Hello! In front of me I have Apple Watch Series 8 and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the screen brightness on this watch. First, let's wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing any of the buttons or by tapping on the screen. Once you wake up the screen, press the crown button to open the menu. In the menu, you can scroll by swiping on the screen. Now, find the settings icon and tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, scroll down and find the option called display and brightness and tap on it. And here we can adjust the screen brightness by tapping on the icons on the left or right side of the appearance slider, as you can see. We can also use the crown by rotating the crown to adjust the brightness. And once you're done, you can press the crown button a couple of times to go back to watch face. You can also adjust this by using the phone application. So let's bring our iPhone to the equation. So let's move the watch to the side, bring our iPhone, zoom out the camera so you can see the whole screen, like this. Move the watch closer, like that. Okay, now let's open the watch application on the iPhone that is paired with our watch. This should bring you to the My Watch page. On this page, you should see the option called display and brightness. Tap on it, and here we have the brightness slider, and we can adjust the brightness of the screen by just swiping on this slider or tapping on it. And once you're done, you can simply close the application. And that's how you adjust the screen brightness on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.